Then we're going to Disneyland today. Maghapon kami doon, guys. Yun lang. So, from Chimchachu Station, going to Central. Wala pang mga tao dito ngayon sa station kasi maaga pa. Ano sa ba? 5:45 pa lang. Pero wala pa kami makainan dito kaya sa Central lang kami kakain. Para maaga din kami sa Disney. Since naka-early pass naman. So, ayun, may tao pala. There. We're going to ano. Tapos nasa yung map natin. Wala mo si Mickey. Guys, 6 pa daw pala mag-open tong MTR. So, 5:45 pa lang wait. I have 100 for pa sa octopus guide. 104. Joke lang pala yung Central. Chimchachu, Jordan, Yao Mai Tei, Mong Kong, Prince Edward, Shachu, Mo, Chung, Chawan, Lai Chi, Kong, Mei, and dito kami liking. So guys, we're here at Liking Station and we're going to Disneyland Resort. Breakfast kasi wala na pala breakfast. So, we're gonna sit here. Sit.
Thank you for traveling with Disneyland Resort.
See you later.
And it's nothing like I've ever known.